Now for our Solar Powered Minute, where we will cover the hottest topics in solar energy each and every week. And joining us, as always, is Wyatt, meteorologist and advisor with Solar Energy World. First of all, welcome back.
Brian, great to be back with you here on ABC7.
Excited to have you here. I want to talk to you. Shifting your home to green energy can also boost the environment locally, but you say choosing to go with your company, Solar Energy World, also can be helpful across the planet.
That's right, Brian. I mean, it's so exciting for me to talk about this and our relationship at Solar Energy World with GivePower. So what we say is, look, if you go solar, obviously we're going to burn a little less gas, a little less coal locally in the D.C. region and across the East Coast. That helps our local air quality, helps our region. But you also help the world when you go with Solar Energy World, because we give a portion of the proceeds from every project we do to GivePower. And I encourage everybody out there, take a look at givepower.org. This organization does such amazing things overseas, places in Africa, countries that need the assistance with cleaner water, clean drinking water, huge problem in the third world. These are solar-powered clean water purification stations that are partly funded by Solar Energy World projects and, of course, donations and other sources from across the planet. So this is just huge. It really helps those countries that need the clean water with green energy-powered clean water purification. And you can feel great about helping us to say, help our region with the air quality, help the world with that clean water.
I like it. Sounds like a good deal. Good plan. Wyatt, thanks so much for joining us. Remember, you can give Solar Energy World a quick call at 877-SOLAR-TV or book your free analysis on solarenergyworld.com. Make sure you mention you saw us on Good Morning Washington or WJLA.